mean, this video is kind of dumb, but it sounded kind of fun, so I thought I'd do it. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of pink makeup. If the makeup isn't pink, the packaging will be. I went through my collection, and honestly, the most fun I had was just digging through my collection to see what I can find, not worrying about what's new and what's relevant, and I pulled a full face of pink makeup. Just thought we'd get in the spirit for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day. Not even Valentine's Day itself, but I love the season around it. I love the pink. I love the hearts. I love the red. I love the aesthetic of Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day collection. It's honestly one of my favorite time of year for makeup launches. I saw a video on TikTok where somebody did a full face of pink makeup, and I was like, what do I have? So that's what we're gonna do today. Everything from the makeup to the packaging. I'm even gonna try to do the brushes, but if I'm missing a shape, I'm going to dig for what I have. So let's get into it, starting off with prep. I've actually never tried this before, but I did have it sitting in my skincare drawer. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. A lot of people love this for before their makeup, so I thought I'd try it because how pretty is this bottle? I also really do love Glow Recipe, so I'm excited to give this a try. Okay. I honestly was really surprised at how much pink items I had in my collection. I guess pink is just a popular color to do branding with, but it really wasn't challenging at all. I don't know, I should try and do like a different color, like blue. I feel like blue would be a challenging one for me. Pink was easy because I love pink. I buy things because they are pink. So this one was not much of a challenge for me. Now this does feel really lovely and hydrating. Smells like watermelons. It's delicious. I mean, I know I love Glow Recipe skincare. I can't believe it took me so long to try this, but there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my eyebrows. For eyebrow gel, I'm going to use the Bay Brow Clear Brow Gel. This is a really pretty light pink packaging, and I love this gel anyways. And the Band-Aid on my finger, I was taping up something and cut myself on the tape cutter. It's not even really bad. I just don't want any makeup or anything to get inside it, you know? Anyways, if you're looking for a good brow gel, I do really like this one, and it has a nice hold, and it's an indie smaller brand that you're supporting. I'm gonna let that dry before I fill in, and I'm going to use the Lawless Forget the Filler Plumping Mask in Cherry Vanilla. It has a pink cap and a very vibrant watermelon-y pink product thing. Consistency, color. Also, I've been saying this really quietly because I do feel like I'm betraying my Laneige lip masks, but I think these are better than the Laneige lip masks. Don't tell them I said that, but the Lawless is better. It is. Okay, for foundation, this one was difficult. It was harder to find a pink foundation, but I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturizer because the cap is cute and pink. Okay. I think this shade is a little dark on me right now, so just turn a blind eye to that. We're gonna pretend like it's not. I know, I am the palest person ever in Florida. And then I'm gonna use my pink beauty blender to blend it out. This tinted moisturizer, in my opinion, I like it. It's nice. I don't hear much people talking about it. It's not an all-time favorite of mine. You know, nothing can touch my hourglass. But she gets the job done. I'm gonna put on a second layer though because I do want a little bit of additional coverage. But no, I feel like Too Faced, for the most part, they do a really decent job with their complexion products. Ugh. I hate when that happens. This is looking even better than I remember. Beautiful. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer in pink. We'll see if I need to go in with more of a skin tone one, but I'm going to try and see what just the pink one can do. And this is great because it's going to color correct the blue I have hanging out right here. And it's going to add some nice brightness. This is such a good formula from the drugstore in general. Let's see if I can brighten other parts of my face with it. Like, why not? Because I feel like it will even out and brighten the center of my face. Beautiful. Now I do want to put something a little bit more skin tone over top. So I'm going to go in with the tiniest bit of the NYX Bear With Me concealer serum, and it has a pretty pink cap. So I'm just going to put the tiniest dot over top because, to be honest, I'm happy with how the pink color corrected. But I do want to make it match my foundation color a little bit better so it doesn't look like I've been wearing sunglasses in the sun and got a weird sunglass tan mark. That just kind of neutralizes everything. Put a little bit more. Going to quickly go back to eyebrows and fill them out. I'm going to use the Kosas Brow Pop products. These are like a purpley pink, but we're gonna count them. And Kosas, in my opinion, has one of the best brow lines. A lot of times, you know, I say spending a high-end price tag isn't worth it in the eyebrow department, but I have no regrets when it comes to my Kosas eyebrow products. And then I'm going to use the Nano Brow Pop to squeeze in between here. I also really do like the nano ones. I love these tiny ones, but they do go down extra fast because they're so tiny, so you really do need to keep repurchasing these, which is slightly annoying. Let's get a little bit of contour on the face. I'm going to use the Patrick Ta Cream Contour Powder Bronzer Duos. This is pink, right? Huh? Pink packaging? Pink enough for me. It's a contour. I can't have a pink contour. I'm going to use the cream contour shade in She's Sculpted because I feel like the other one in the lighter palette is too light on me, but I prefer the powder in the lighter one. This one's a little too dark. But this is a beautiful formula. I don't reach for this nearly as much as I should. Very pretty. And then I'm going to use Patrick Ta brush to contour down my nose. Anybody have any exciting Valentine's Day plans? Last year, Jose and I went to West Palm Beach. It was really fun. I think this time I kind of just want to go to the mall and buy myself something nice, you know? A mall day sounds really fun to me. Then I'm going to use the other side to blend it in. I love this brush. Wow, it does such a kick butt cream contour. Then I'm going to go for She's Statuesque F23 blinged brush in collaboration with Paige Corin. And I'm going to lightly set, especially towards the outside, like the hairline area. Okay, let's go ahead and set the rest of the face. It couldn't have gotten any better than this One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. It has literal pink packaging, and it's a literal pink powder. Blinged brush F22. Just going to use that to set underneath and then the center of my face as well. This is my first time actually using the pink color of the One Size Setting Powder, and it's not too pink. Well, since I'm using a soft brush, it's not packing on any pigment, but I like it. And this setting powder is heavy duty. It can look dry, so you have to be careful. I don't really like baking with this one, but a light set is really nice. I want to do eyeshadow before I pick my blush color. So I'm using a little bit of the Maybelline Instant Age Concealer in that pink color. It'll brighten up the lids nicely. No, my brush, it was not pink. I cheated. I picked the perfect palette, Too Faced, pinker times ahead. Couldn't have been a more appropriate video for this. And you can get it for like $23 on HSN right now, so it's pretty cheap. That's where I picked this one up from. I do genuinely think that this palette is underrated. I've always really enjoyed it. So I'm just going to use that pink shade down there to work in my crease. I'm going to do a majority pink look today. So we're going to stick in that color story. Going to quickly set under the brows with this color. It's like a creamy color. I'm going to mix this pink and this mauve brown color. Mauve plum, not mauve brown. I'm going to stick this right in the outer corner and then lightly blend it out. I talk about how sick I am of pink eyeshadow palettes, particularly from my favorite brands, but then I totally go back on my words because I always love a pink eyeshadow look. I always reach for them. I really do. Like if I want to go color, but not anything I'm uncomfortable with, go for pink, always. I'm gonna take that mix I just made and I'm going to run it along the lower lash line as well. Then I'm gonna go in for this mid-tone shimmery pink and I'm going to apply it to the center of my eyelid. I'm so excited I got to use this palette today. I love videos that I can pull whenever I want. And so this is something that you wouldn't really traditionally see it in my videos anymore because they're trying to discontinue it. They can't get it off the shelves. It's not really relevant for my videos, but I always have fun when I can pull them. And then I'm going to go in with this shimmery pink, which is a little brighter. And it has a little bit more texture and glimmer to it. And I'm going to press that on the inner third of my eyelid like so. Yeah, it has more razzle-dazzle to it for sure. Taking a pencil brush, I'm going into the lightest pink shade. And I'm just going to pop that right here in the inner corner for a fun pop. And I do want some of this shimmery pink as well along my lash line, just to brighten things up down there. So I did just go off camera and zhuzh up the colors a little bit on the eyes. I didn't use any new colors. I just kind of reapplied the colors I wanted to pop more to make everything look more fresh. Let's finish off the cheeks. I thought that this one was perfect. This is literally called Pink Power from Kylie Cosmetics. Pink blush, pink packaging. It's perfect for today's look. Blinged brush, F24, and I'm just gonna get a little bit of that pink flush here on my cheeks. This color needs built up a little bit on my skin tone. It's not really what I would say is the most flattering on me, but it works for today's look. If you're very fair and cool toned though, you will love that color. I'm gonna pop a little bit of Winter Kissed from Kylie Cosmetics as well. And this will just add a little bit more color. Okay, highlight. Again, another exciting opportunity to grab a product that I wouldn't necessarily grab for often. This is the Kaleidos Star Surfer Space Age Highlighter. It has pink packaging and pink shift to it. Just gonna take this. So Kaleidos has this collection of multicolor highlighters that I don't necessarily reach for really, so I decluttered most of them. But I'm happy I held on to this one. I do like a pink shifty highlighter, and this one is still really subtle and wearable, and I like the finish of it as well. Yay! Setting spray, we're gonna go with Glow Recipe again. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. It's so cute and perfect for today. It smells so good. The day that I'm filming this is actually the Super Bowl, and Jose and I don't watch football. Jose watches football, not football. So he's not really into it, but I'm debating if we should tonight. And then, you know, I'm always down for an excuse to order some pizza and wings. Honestly, I find that on Super Bowl day, it's faster delivery because they make so many pizzas. It's their biggest day of the year. So I get my pizzas right away when I order on Super Bowl day. Anyways, for eyeliner, I do happen to have a pink, not a pink eyeliner, but pink packaging eyeliner. This is the Glossier liquid liner, which is one of the best, most precise liquid liners. So I'm going to use this today. It's just so precise and fine. I feel like I haven't used liquid liner that was black in a long time. Anyways, don't talk to me. I've got to do this in silence. Mascara, let's go Lancome Lash Idol. This one has pretty pink packaging. I'm not obsessed with this formula, but it's what I had opened that had pink packaging. Sorry, no pink lashes today for me. Also, I'm about to go off camera. Oh, I hate when I do that. I'm about to go off camera and apply falsies. Nothing about them's pink, and you're gonna act like that never happened. BRB. She has lashes. Now, the last thing I'm gonna do for the eyes, ColourPop came in handy. I'm gonna use their cream gel eyeliner in Calabasas. How cute is this? This is gonna be so pretty in the waterline. It's just a shimmery light pink, and it's gonna give a pretty baby doll kind of look. So very cute. And then let's do some lip liner. So I'm going to use Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the most famous pink lip liner in the world, for sure. It's also one of my all-time favorite formulas. Got my lips looking so dry. For lipsticks, Lawless has this pretty pink lipstick packaging. I'm going to use the shade Daisy Girl, which is also the prettiest kind of muted mauvey pink. Very light. Oh, I didn't realize it would like pull so light on me. Let me go in with a little bit more lip liner. And so when this happens, just use the lip liner in a little further over the lips, and then it'll be fine. And then I wanted a pink gloss to finish us off, and I thought this was the cutest pink gloss. I don't love this formula, but this is the Lancome Juicy Tubes in the shade Miracle, and I just thought it would go with this look so well. Honestly, it doesn't have much color, but the gloss itself is really pretty. Here we are, a fully pink look using only pink products, and honestly, it turned out so well. So not only were these fun and pink, but the actual quality of the products I'm really loving. I just reignited a little bit of a love for the Too Faced Born This Way moisturizing skin tint. I also was really loving the brightness that this Maybelline concealer added. Loving the Patrick Ta contour. That was really beautiful. I mean, overall, the products just pulled really well together. So anyways, like I said, this video was kind of dumb, but I thought it was fun to just do a get ready with me, playing with makeup, shopping my stash, and we pulled this look together in anticipation for Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's to my galentines who watch me. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I challenge you, pull as much pink out of your collection as you can. This is the best time of year to get away with pink on pink on pink. That's why I think I love Valentine's Day aesthetic so much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do lots of reviews on lots of products, but I do like to sit down and play every now and then with you guys. Next time you're getting ready, pull up one of these videos and get ready with me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.